Here's how you can make your iPhone focus on one game. So let's get started. Let me explain how it would work. If you're new here, subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. Like, of course, if your phone is limited in terms of the power, you don't want it to do some other tasks and only concentrate the forces right on the game. And there are a few things you can do on the iPhone. First of all, if you open up settings and go to the focus mode, right there you can set up the gaming focus, and that is pretty important because you can set it up in a way that it's going to be turned on whenever you open up a specific game, or for example when you control the game with a controller, right? It might be turned on automatically. And the point is that you are basically silencing every single thing. You silence notifications, people are not calling you, nothing is really happening outside of you playing the game. So this can make you focus, but as well the phone, which will not do some other tasks like delivering notifications or playing sounds or doing anything else. So that would be the first step. But the next one would also be to check out the general settings and see the background app refresh, because you might still be running one game, but in the background some other apps might be refreshing. So I think it would make sense to turn it off completely, at least for the duration of you playing the game, so none of the apps right here can be refreshed in the background. Like by default, I believe that all of the apps are turned on, and it would mean that all of the weather services and every single app right here would be able to do something in the background, right? Which leaves you with less power to actually focus and do the game, right? So that's another thing you can do. So let me know in the comments below if you have found what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.